Let's set up our MetaMask wallet. So at the top, you'll see we have this light blue box. It has a summary of everything that is in the tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have the MetaMask extension installed. These are all the supported browsers. Chances are you're using one of them. Once you install it, you're just going to go to the top and we're going to go ahead and add the network. So let's go do that. And on the top left, we're selecting the drop down, adding network. We're going to add the network manually and enter all these details. So for network name, Hemi testnet, and then the RPC URL is right here. We'll just copy that over. And next we're doing the chain ID. Currency symbol is going to be ETH, of course, and copying the Block Explorer URL. Save. And switch to Hemi testnet. Make sure that you've selected it. This is how you know it's good to go.